Local officials from Bulacan have been stranded in Dubai since 28 February after Iranian missiles struck the country, Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla said Wednesday. Speaking at the Kapihan sa Manila Bay Forum, Remulla said the group consists of 11 vice mayors and 1 mayor who traveled to Dubai last week. For more stories, visit tribune.net.ph.